Okay, let's take a lightning fast journey through the history of the Linux, one of the world's most powerful operating systems. Now, story begins in 1983, where the Richard Stallman launches the GNU project. Now, what was his goals? His goals was to create a free and open source operating system, but GNU was when one key piece was missing. A kernel, the core of the operating system. Now, fast forward to 1991, enters the Linus Torvalds, 21-year-old computer science student from Finland. Now, Linus wanted a free and a simple operating system for his computer, so he created a kernel and shared it online, inviting developers around the world to contribute. Now, October 5, 1991, Linux version 0.02 was released. It was a basic, but it marked the birth of what became the revolution in the computing. Now, open source nature of the Linux meant anyone could modify and improve it. Over the years, the global community of the developers helped shape Linux into a powerful and versatile operating system. Now, by the mid-90s, Linux started powering servers, enterprise. Today, distributions like the Ubuntu, Red Hat, Debian make Linux accessible to everyone from the beginners to the IT professionals. Now, fun fact is that Linux runs 90% of the world's superpower computers and most web servers, and even power the Android devices. It's everywhere.